The Taurus model 617T, total titanium, 357 revolver. 7 shots, 19.9 ounces. An incredible concealed carry piece. Now for those of you who are my subs, you'll notice that I've had a little accident over here, and that was actually Monday. This is Saturday, so it's looking a lot better than it did. My advice to you is don't go up a very slippery slope after it's been raining with both arms full of rifles. It can get pretty ugly. You know, the Taurus 617 is no longer made. It's been discontinued because of the cost. And if you can find these on the used market, it'd be a great investment because these guns are continuing to rise in price. This gun is a pleasure to shoot. You know, both 357, you can also shoot 38 specials plus P or just regular 38. So it's a very versatile handgun as well. And one thing about a double action revolver is you pull the trigger and it goes bang. The word titanium just is strength and lightweight. Just a great combination. But what really makes this gun shootable are these ports in the top of the barrel. It's a 2-inch barrel, has a matte parkerized finish. This gun is very well finished. You can just see quality, and for Taurus, to me it's more of an exceptional quality. It holds 7 rounds. Of course, it's safety checked, as we can see right here. Has a great, this ejector is a little bit longer to have positive ejection when you're removing your rounds. Look at this grip. Great rubberized grip. Makes it very comfortable to shoot. Also, the trigger is a smooth face trigger. Has a transfer bar, a hammer. That way it's no accidental discharge. You can see the bar comes up and blocks the firing pin. Of course, this is double action and single action. Single action being cocking of the hammer and pulling the trigger. Double action is to bring it all the way back. A nice feature on this revolver is that it has a security feature. This is great for when you have kids in the house or teenagers. You really don't want to be handling your firearm. It has a key. Fits right here. One thing I want to tell you, you need to push down on it and then turn it, and it'll just rise out. When it's in the out position, it actually blocks the hammer from cocking. And then again, press down, back into place. So it's easy to manipulate. Also, another good feature is the low profile sights, as you can see. Just a wicked pistol, just a wicked looking. Highly effective. 357 is one of the top one-shot man stoppers out there. Great for backup. And with this lightweight, like I said, being 19.9 ounces, just a great pistol. One thing that's unfortunate is Taurus has discontinued this model because it was just too expensive to produce these in titanium. They're still on the used market. They're well worth the money. These also come in a bright nickel finish and then also a blued steel finish. But this again is the matte finish. Nice hard carry case. And of course with owner's manual, has a little place for a lock here to keep it locked when you have it in storage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more fun gun reviews and sensible survival. God bless America. Long live the Republic.